am Vicky from with LED Lighting Factory. Nice to see you.
Hello, I'm Cherry.
As we can see, the LED chandelier now is very popular in the market. But however, just small part have any problem will be big problem for our customer, right? You can see the sample here, like this. This is really popular chandelier in the marketing and very hot sale. But here just a few parts have the LED chip broken, and then the hot lighting have to change it with a really high costing, right, Cherry?
Yes. To replace this one whole feature, firstly you need to buy a new one, and then you need to hire electricity to replace the one for your house. So I think the electricity cost in your local market may be even very higher than the feature.
Yes, so for solve this problem, we are actually have our own DIY chandelier I want to share with you today. And this is a new standard. We are one sample for you have a look on DIY sample. You can see here. Why we do this DIY product? Because we hope everybody can be change the lighting is very easily
by themselves. Even the housewife like me, they can replace the lamp by themselves easily. Let me show you. For the appearance, it's just a very simple and elegant light, shown as light here. But if one lamp or two lamps you don't like it, you want to replace other type or a new one, you just need to take it down easily. Let me show you. You just need to fix the top part and turn the feature to the right side. Take out. And when you fix them on the track, on the feature, you just need to fix the top part on the feature and put the position right and turn to them. Finish installation and take down. Is that very easy, right?
Yes. Why we call this product is a free DIY product? Because of you can be change it very easy by yourself, like Cherry just sewing. And also in the same time, we have the solution is just one line can be used many different style. Yeah. How to say? For example, in the early beginning, maybe you will be like this design, you think it's simple or elegant. And then after maybe 3 years later or 5 years later, you don't like this design anymore. You want to change a new one. Then you just need to do it by yourself. How we can be do? Now let me call our office lady, Eva and Cherry, coming to show with you together. How we can be use one lamp to do the different style. You see, we will be keep to use the same feature body in here, and then just pick out all the different shapes. Okay. Here is the solution one. Cherry just pick it up from the feature, right? This solution is the LED chip inside the acrylic, and then you just can be very easy to change it by yourself. Do this just and put twins dots. This is solution one we have, and we have another solution is similar like this one, and also similar like this one. These two solutions will be you see have the two sides have the lighting together. However, up or down can be turned on. And we just and have the another solution is we call solution 3. For this one, we will have the some spool like this. And why we use the spool like here? Because this one can be put the glass and then just turn it. Will be very easy like they do in the sample here. And this solution also is similar like one. You just put it and put it, okay, that's. And we also have the solution 4. They are already finished in here. The solution 4 is also similar like solution 3. This solution 3, the lighting will be done, light up the down, but the solution will be light up the us. So together will be have the different style depend your list. Okay, now you are. I think you already see why they can be touch the lighting by the hand. Maybe you think it's really dangerous, right? Because in the European market will be 220 watts, and China also is like that. And for USA will be 110. That will be really dangerous. But for our DIY product, it's really safe.
Really safe. Why we say that? You will see here. You will notice I can touch any part of the feature. I cannot feel any feeling of the electricity because the whole feature is DC 24 watt. Means it is very low voltage and very safe for the human. And also for our product like this one, you will see. Just now, I just changed different lamp on the feature and keep the same feature, right?
So you can be just do very small the SKU for your inventory because you just can be order each part 20 piece or 30 piece like that, and then you can be use one same feature body, then can be do many different DIY product for your customer and change the design really easier. So that can be save a lot of money, and also in the same time you can be see here the packing size.
Yeah, you will see here. From the popular LED chandelier in the market, the size like this one. The package for this one need to like this one. The CPM for this one maybe already 0.5 CPM for one lamp.
But for our LED DIY product, because every part can be put it out, and then so you can be doing for the customer really easy. Then you can be see the packing is really small, about 50% or more, I think, for the shipment cost and also warehouse cost you can be sell for your customer and also for yourself.
For the package size of our product, it will be 50 or 70% lower than the traditional package weight. And also someone will ask, if I just change the lamp for 1 year or 2 years, every year keep to change the lamp, whether I will feel headache after I drop down of the lamps. Here I can tell you, don't worry. All our material is friendly environment. Means like this one. The material for our lamp is die-casting aluminum. The aluminum is 100% recycled for the society. It is very good and friendly for the environment.
And also we understand you is really take care of your brand with the good quality. So we also have many support for the quality after sale. How we can say that maybe 5 years later, however your customer just one part is broken, and then you can be give the new one to them to change. It's really easy anytime.
Here, our DIY chandelier all have pattern protection for you. This structure is developed by ourselves. We have our invention pattern, utility pattern, design pattern, and you will see here we have hundreds or even thousands of patterns can protect you in the market and also help you keep the unity in the market to make sure you are the only one or you are the special one to sell the chandelier in your market.
Now you can be see our just some sample in here for give you some idea that actually we have the many different shape for the our product we have.
Yeah.
You can see.
You see here we have manufactured like the acrylic, crystal, glasses. Or here we have different glasses type like this one. Or the small glasses like that one. And also we have the painting glasses like the sunset, sunjang, like this one. And if you have other idea can painting the picture on the glasses, we welcome you to offer some idea to us.
As the lighting factory, we are welcome you offer your own idea to us. Then will be do the design for you. We are manufacturing from year 2002, so we are professional to do the OEM and also the ODM. Here is some information can be shared with you together.
We have ETL and CETL certification for North American market, CE for the European market, and ISO 9001 for the good quality factory certification and promote in the world.
And also we have the more and develop the design and many detailed video in our Facebook and also in our website. Here is some contact information for our sales team. Welcome you contact with us about asking more detailed information, and also welcome your testing order. Thank you.
Thank you.